everybody, I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's our little yellow belly slider turtle. He's hanging out in the van. But today, we're right here in Pismo Beach, California at a huge travel trailer, vintage car show type of thing. We've already made an awesome video about this event, but today we're actually going to showcase one of these amazing travel trailers, and we're going to start into that right now and let you see one of these amazing travel trailers in a little bit more detail than the bigger event. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this trailer. See you in the next one, guys.
So in this episode, we're going to look at this 1960s International camper.
Really nice. An International. Pretty cool.
It's a wood burn stove. We've used it to cook breakfast, but it gets really hot and stays hot.
1960s.
Yep.
It's on the original frame by the original guy that built it. He was a boat builder, and he actually built this to go up to Alaska. They even have their cute little kitty in here. Wood burning stove on the left for cooking and heating, it looks like. Very nicely done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this 1960s International conversion. But thanks for watching. Please like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
Thanks for watching. To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, thanks for traveling with us.